I hate to say it, but I feel like I only started liking Islam and liking practicing Islam when I started decentering people and other Muslims. When I started to not care about what people thought and other Muslims' opinions and not engaging with Islamic content on TikTok especially, I started liking and appreciating the deen. When I was engaging with Islamic content and I was in Muslim group chat, I was so miserable because I felt like I was not doing enough. I felt like I was in the company of haram police every day. And the way Islam is showcased on TikTok, it feels like a prison. It feels like Allah gave us this religion to make us suffer. And me personally, I did not come to this world to suffer. So it made me think that Islam felt like jail. That's what Islam was feeling like when I was engaging with Islamic content on TikTok, caring what other Muslims thought about me and trying to prove my Islam. By prove my Islam is I was trying to overcompensate my deen in ways of in my actions, speech, what I wore, and it wasn't authentic, it was fake and was very performative. And that's when I did not like being Muslim. I did not like practicing it because I wasn't doing it for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I was just trying to prove a point. When you start practicing Islam to the point that you're trying to prove a point and perform, you will not like Islam. I'm telling you, you will not enjoy it. You're putting people on a pedestal you're putting people on a pedestal for them to validate your Islam. The only person that should be validating you is your creator, not the creation. So when I engraved in my memory that I'm only doing this for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator, I started appreciating the deen. Like, if you see me, I really don't be engaging with I'm joking. I don't be engaging with lots of Islamic content on TikTok or like to be in Muslim group chats like that, because I just felt it wasn't really a safe space, and I just felt like there was like bad energy in those type of spaces, and that was very bad on my faith. So when I moved that to the side and focused on my relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I became a better Muslim. I became better praying, better at seeking knowledge, and just better in general as a Muslim, as a person. Because when you know that you're doing it for one God and not others, you will have an easier time digesting, consuming, acting as a Muslim. Did I even make sense with that? Like digesting Islam, consuming Islam, and performing Islam vibe through actions and speech and what you're wearing, etc. So Islam became easier for me when I just stopped caring about people. I don't have to prove my deen to others. I don't even like some of the people I was proving it them to. Like when I was hearing things, as a hijabi, I was trying to prove a point. You know what? On the day of judgment, these people will run away from you. Number one, these people will not even claim you on the day of judgment. And number three, they're not the one judging you on the day of judgment. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only one that will be judging you on your actions, speech, and everything. So why are you doing it for others? So I enjoyed Islam when I started decentering other Muslims and Islamic content. I only focused on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So yeah.